This is relief valve. Relief.
Relief valve.
Yes. This is open shut valve.
Open valve.
Then turn clockwise.
Close.
No, open.
Open. Open. Yeah.
Bar inside.
Okay. Counterclockwise open.
Close.
Counterclockwise close. This is a relief valve.
Yes, relief valve.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Guys, itong piniprepare nila, ito yung MGO cooler para sa main engine tsaka generator engine. Kinakargahan nila ng nitrogen. Ganun daw yung pag-setup ng nitrogen. Yan, pinano na nila. Point 4 megapascal. Yung barbula guys, nakalimutan buksan. Yung nasa baba yung pag sarado guys, clockwise. That is relief valve. All pressure go down. Binuksan niya guys, relief valve para mawala yung pressure dito sa pressure gauge. Itong barbula guys, bubuksan lang to pag nagkarga ng nitrogen. Pero pagkatapos magkarga ng nitrogen, isasarado din siya. Bali, kaya kinakargaan nila guys yung accumulator ng MGO cooler kasi sabi ng maker matagal na daw hindi nagagamit kaya nagdi-discharge na yung ano, normal lang daw yun na mag sobrang tagal na ginamit kaya kinargaan nila. Bali yung pressure na ginamit 0.3 megapascal.